Okay, in this data video, we're going to take a look at how to edit data. And in particular, what we're going to do is we're going to omit a data point. Now, if you've watched the how to create a chart video, you'll recognize the data set. We're going to Houston. We're going to D5191. Gasoline QC1 demo is our instrument and our parameter is DVPE. Now again, we're in the demo setup for Insight SQC, but this will work in any deployment. So taking a look at our data set, we realize we've got one here that is flagged red. Why is it flagged red? Well, I can flush all my flags to the top like that, and I can see that I have a GESD outlier. There it is. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to omit this data because it's a GESD outlier in the setup data. And so to do that, and this works for editing in any way that you would like, you can edit data here. So I want to edit my data that has the flags. So again, I'll flush the flags to the top by pressing this little button. There we go. There's the data point we want to modify. Now to do this, we need to edit the data, which invokes this pencil, okay? And what we want to do is we want to omit it from SQC. So we'll change this to yes, and we'll provide a note here, GESD outlier. Okay, and we'll lock all of our stuff into place by hitting the floppy disk, boom. And then we'll go down here and we will hit save, save. Now, what it's doing is it's going back into the data set, it's omitting that data, and just give it a few seconds here and it will redraw for us. There we go. And so what we now see is that data point right here is no longer there. So if I scroll over, I can see that I have omitted the data from SQC consideration, and there's my note, GESD outlier. So this works if you want to do anything, any sort of modification. Let's say I wanted to change a value. I'd go in here and do the same thing. I'd hit the pencil, I'd change my value, I'd hit the save button, and I would be good to go. If I wanted to add a personnel, if I wanted to change the setup data, if I wanted to change any of these designations, silence data, anything, that's the way you do it. You hit the pencil, and then when you're done editing, you can hit the save button, the floppy disk, to lock it into place. Now you can do this with more than one at a time. You can change 4 of them if you want to. Make your changes, lock them in place. But once you've locked things in place, don't forget to go down here and click the save button. Okay, thank you.